Okay, children, in the previous class we learnt the theorem 6.8, and theorem 6.8 is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle is formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. And theorem 6.7 is, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Based on these two theorems, now we are going to solve some problems. In that, here we have a example 7. In figure, if QT perpendicular to PR, if this line QT is perpendicular to PR, and here this is the perpendicular line, angle TQR equals to 40 degrees. Here angle TQR, this one is 40 degrees. Angle SPR equals to 30 degrees, and we have to find out here angle X at R, angle X, and here angle Y. We have to find out these two angles, angle X and angle Y, we have to find out. Now come to the solution. What is given here? First we are going to write what is given here. First come to the figure. So QT perpendicular to PR, from the figure given, first write down given. What is given here? QT is perpendicular to PR. So we can see here QT is perpendicular to PR, that means we can say angle QTR equals to how much? It will be 90 degrees. So we can write, so angle QTR equals to 90 degrees, we can write. Next and we have a triangle, this one, angle QTR. Here how much it is? Angle 90 degrees. Write that. I am writing that here it is 90 degrees. And from the triangle QTR, from the figure, write that, from the triangle QTR, and have a look here. From the triangle QTR, here we have angle T. Here T, one angle here 90 degrees is there, another angle 40 degrees is there. So here we need to find out angle X. So from the triangle QTR, from the angle sum theorem, and here we can write we can write here from the angle sum property, from the angle sum theorem we can write what we can write here. From the angle sum theorem, so sum of the interior angles, from the angle sum theorem, sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write here 40 degree plus 90 degree plus X equals to, we can write 180 degree. So we can write that one. So what are the angles are? We have 40 degree. So we have 40 degree plus another angle, how much is given here? 90 degree plus X equals to 180 degree. Since angle sum property, so we have angle sum property, and 40 plus 90 130 plus, and x equals to 180 degrees. So from this we can write x equals to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So how much? 180 minus 130, 50 degree. So that means angle x equals to 50 degrees we got. Now once again here we need to find out angle y. Angle y we need to find out. So we can see here angle y equals to angle y, this one here we can write angle SPR, angle SPR, and we can see here angle y is from the triangle SPR we can see y is exterior angle, and here 30 degrees, and angle SPR and angle x both are interior angles. So from this we can write here, what we can write here, from the triangle SPR, write that from the triangle SPR, from the triangle SPR, y is exterior angle, and x comma 30 degree are opposite interior angles, So what we can write? So exterior angle equals to, we know that from theorem 6.8, exterior angle equals to sum of the two opposite interior angles. So from that we can write angle y equals to, y is exterior angle, angle y equals to what we can write here, 30 degrees plus x, 30 degree plus x, that means angle y equals to how much, 30, x equals to how much, 50 degrees we have, that equals to, we can write y equals to 80 degrees. This is the answer we need.